She got the style so clean and sleek. A-line skirt is smooth and neat. She wears her makeup then drives away. She is a Cali girl all day.
Hi guys, let's get ready for New Year. Samahan niyo ako ha. Hi guys, I'm at the grocery store getting everything we need to ring in the new year. Kayo ba ready na din? Ano ba yung usual na hinahanda nating mga Pilipino pag bagong taon? Honestly, sa panahon na to, nagiging practical na din tayo. Dati ginagawa ko talaga to prepare 12 different round fruits. At dahil napakamahal ng mga presyo ng bilihin, hindi na din ngayon. At dahil malamig ang panahon, I will make chicken sopas. Gagawa din ako ng Greek salad. I will bake banana bread. And for protein naman, siguro magsa-steak na lang tayo. Then for snacks, I'll prepare charcuterie. At pag kaya talaga ng powers ko, I'll add pasta. Oo naman, napakaganda pag maraming handa. Kaya lang at the end of the day, we have to make it simple based on our budget. Kung ano yung kaya, dun tayo. Dun sa first grocery store na pinuntahan ko, hindi kompleto yung kailangan ko. So, babalikan ko pa talaga yung iba. Alam nyo ba, inabot din ako ng $77. Magkano kaya to sa peso? It is New Year, and as we stand out the threshold of 2026, naisip ko ilista ang mga prayer request ko. I even encourage my Facebook friends, my friends and family, only if they want to share what they want me to pray for. The book in Matthew chapter 18 verse 19, if two of you agree on earth about anything they asked, it will be done. Isn't it nice that one or two are praying for you? And every month I will dedicate my time to pray for our prayer box. May we have all a great year. Hi guys, New Year na rin dito tomorrow. Para hindi ako masyadong maraming gagawin for preparation, isa sa mga pwede kong unahin is mag-bake ng banana cake. Samahan niyo ako ha. These are the ingredients of banana cake. Usually, kinukuha ko lang talaga siya sa YouTube. Gagawin ko siyang banana cupcake. Between baking or cooking, mas prefer ko talaga magluto. Sa baking kasi parang ingrande yung preparation. Kailangan mo siyang i-measure ng tama at complete yung ingredients mo. Sobrang bago. Naaamoy ko na yung ating banana cake. Let's go! Okay guys, tingnan natin yung ating banana cake. Wow! So soft. Ang sarap. Hindi daw po yung chocolate. Meron siyang chocolate. Good morning. It's past 3 p.m. And this is my usual gising talaga. Kasi I work night shift and there was no any plan. So, I slept the whole 8 hours. And yung weather ngayon, umuulan. Kaya, ang sarap matulog. For now, let's drink our coffee. Honestly guys, after my surgery back in July, I feel better. Mas nakaka-focus na ako ngayon. And my energy is very well. It is true, health is wealth. Do you know that Greek salad is highly beneficial? It offers heart-healthy fats galing sa olive oil and olives. It is also antioxidant to fight disease. At meron siyang minerals like potassium and calcium for immunity and bone health. Oo na, I skipped the rice. I have a potato bite. Niluto ko siya sa unsalted butter with salt and pepper. One of my favorite is making a charcuterie board. Kasi naman, very easy lang talaga to. You just buy what you need like cheese, olives, crackers, nuts, salami, jam, chocolate, just anything that you want. Magandang pairing to when drinking wine. Alam niyo ba, wala naman akong alam sa mga ganito. But you know, growing up in the Philippines myself, hindi ko to nakasanayan. Totoo yun na pag nanirahan ka sa ibang bansa, meron at meron kang maa-adapt na tradisyon na ginagawa talaga nila. And that's for you if you want to adapt their culture because no one's gonna force you anyway. At dahil taglamig, chicken sopas is the best recipe for the holiday. Definitely, it's an ultimate Filipino comfort food. Alam niyo ba kung kanino ko kinuha tong recipe na to? Kay Chef RV. Napakasarap guys. At bagong taon, siguro naman pwede ulit tayo magsimula. Alam nyo, I cannot stop aging. I think it is important to make right choices lalo na pagdating sa pagkain. At siguro din kailangan magkaroon talaga ng time management when it comes to physical exercise. Sikapin talaga na hindi tayo magpupuyat. At eto confession, hindi talaga ako mahilig mag-water. I know this is really important kasi it helps regulate the body temperature. It lubricates the joints. At syempre, it flushes the waste sa katawan natin. It gives us energy, brain function, better digestion, skin health. Naku, marami pang iba. Kaya yan talaga ang aking New Year resolution. Drink a plenty water. At ang panghuli, tadadadadan! Eto na, save the best for last. I'm cooking my steak sa unsalted butter. Siyempre nilagyan ko lang din yan ng salt and pepper. Very simple. Nothing fancy, basta meron akong A1 sauce, solved na. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon, no? Akalain mo tapos na yung 2025. Oh my gosh. Ganito na lang. If you are celebrating the New Year today, that means God help you. Ibig sabihin no, na pagtagumpayan mo lahat ng challenges na dumating sa buhay mo. And that's how I feel, guys. Of course, maraming obstacle and trials na dumating din sa atin. But every time na lalagpasan mo yon, I feel stronger. I think part na to ng buhay natin. Speaking from my own experience, I think my faith helps me. Happy New Year, everyone. And again, thank you for watching this for you.
Wake up to a brand new dawn. Spread joy from the moment you're gone. Let laughter be your morning song, and kindness will keep you strong.